Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best steam irons that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of spending too much time ironing stubborn wrinkles? Regular irons often don't produce enough steam, forcing you to go over clothes again and again. And for thick fabrics like jeans, curtains, or bed sheets, it becomes even more frustrating. You need something more powerful, faster, and effortless, and that's where a high-pressure steam generator iron comes in. Meet the Martisan Digital Steam Generator Iron, an 1800W high-power ironing system with 8 bar pressure, massive steam output, and a large 1.9L water tank designed for fast wrinkle removal. 1800W strong power for fast heat-up and consistent performance. 8 bar maximum pressure for deep steam penetration into thick fabrics. Powerful 550G/min steam burst removes stubborn wrinkles quickly. Continuous steam technology for smooth, uninterrupted ironing. Large 1.9L water tank allows long ironing sessions without refilling. Ceramic sole plate glides smoothly and prevents fabric sticking. Smart auto-off safety feature for peace of mind. Ideal for clothes, curtains, bedsheets, and heavy fabrics. Fast wrinkle removal saves time and effort. Pros: extremely powerful steam output. Large water tank for long sessions. Fast wrinkle removal on thick fabrics. Smooth ceramic sole plate. Safety auto shut-off. Larger and heavier than standard irons. Takes more storage space. Higher price compared to basic steam irons. This iron is perfect for large families, heavy ironing workloads, and people who regularly iron shirts, suits, curtains, or bedsheets. It's also great for anyone who wants professional-level results at home with less effort and time. Priced around $239.99, the Martisan Steam Generator Iron is expensive for casual users, but the strong steam power, large tank, and time-saving performance make it a great value for heavy-duty ironing needs. Number 4. Introducing the Rowenta Master Steam Station VR8338, a professional-grade steam iron with a powerful built-in pump, stainless steel sole plate, and high-pressure steam designed for fast, efficient wrinkle removal. 1750W power for quick heat-up and strong performance. Built-in pump delivers high-pressure steam for deep fabric penetration. Stainless steel sole plate with 400 microsteam holes for even steam distribution. Continuous steam technology for smooth and consistent ironing. 57-ounce removable water tank for longer ironing sessions. Rapid heating system saves time before use. Even heat distribution prevents hot spots and fabric damage. Adjustable steam control for different fabric types. Professional steam station designed for heavy-duty ironing. Suitable for clothes, suits, curtains, and thick fabrics. Pros: excellent steam coverage with 400 holes. Durable stainless steel sole plate. Large removable water tank. Strong built-in pump pressure. Professional-level ironing performance. Cons: bulkier than standard irons. Slightly heavier base unit. Takes more storage space. Ideal for large households, frequent ironing, and users who want professional quality results at home. Great for shirts, formal wear, bedsheets, and thick fabrics. Also perfect for people who iron in long sessions. At $199.99, the Rowenta Master Steam Station offers strong performance, durable build quality, and professional steam power, making it a solid value for heavy-duty home ironing. Number 3. Introducing the Rowenta Focus Excel DW5280 Steam Iron, a powerful 1725W steam iron with anti-drip protection and precision steam designed for smooth, everyday wrinkle removal. 1725W powerful performance for fast heat-up. High steam output for effective wrinkle removal. Stainless steel sole plate with precision tip for hard-to-reach areas. Anti-drip protection prevents water stains on clothes. Even steam distribution for consistent ironing results. Vertical steam capability for hanging garments and curtains. Adjustable manual steam control for different fabrics. Precision tip for collars, seams, and buttons. Durable build designed for long-term use. Lightweight compared to steam generator stations. Pros: strong steam for its size. Anti-drip system prevents leaks. Precision tip improves accuracy. Lightweight and easy to handle. Affordable price. Cons: smaller water tank than steam stations. No built-in pump pressure system. Requires more passes on thick fabrics. Perfect for everyday home use, small families, and quick ironing sessions. Great for shirts, school uniforms, and light to medium fabrics. Ideal for users who want good performance without a bulky steam station. Priced at $74.98, the Rowenta Focus XL offers strong power, reliable steam, and solid build quality. It's an excellent value for users who want a powerful traditional steam iron without spending on a large steam generator. Number 2. Introducing the OMAIGA Cordless Steam Iron, a 1500W fast-heating cordless iron designed for smooth, flexible, and hassle-free ironing at home. 1500W power for rapid heating and stable performance. Cordless design for unrestricted movement and easy handling. Ceramic nonstick sole plate for smooth glide on all fabrics. 11.84-ounce large water tank for longer ironing sessions. Adjustable 3 temperature settings for different fabric types. Anti-calc system helps prevent mineral buildup. Self-cleaning function for easier maintenance. Auto shut-off safety feature for added protection. Suitable for both light and medium-heavy fabrics. Fast steam output for everyday wrinkle removal. Pros: cordless freedom improves comfort and mobility. Large water tank reduces refilling. Easy to use with multiple safety features. Self-cleaning and anti-calc system. Good value for price. Cons: needs frequent reheating on base. Slightly less powerful than steam stations. Cordless style may interrupt long sessions. Best for small families, daily home ironing, and users who prefer flexibility over maximum power. Great for shirts, uniforms, and quick ironing tasks without dealing with cords. At $76.69, this OMAIGA cordless iron offers strong convenience features, solid steam performance, and safety functions, making it a great budget-friendly choice for everyday ironing needs. Number 1. Introducing the Rowenta Focus Excellence DW5433 Steam Iron, a powerful 1750W premium iron with stainless steel sole plate, LED display, and advanced steam technology for professional quality results at home. 1750W high power for fast heat up and strong performance. Stainless steel sole plate with 400 plus micros steam holes for even steam distribution. Continuous steam technology for smooth ironing. Powerful steam boost for stubborn wrinkles. LED display for easy control and temperature visibility. Retractable cord reel, for easy storage. Anti-calc system for longer lifespan and cleaner steam. Anti-drip function prevents water stains on clothes. Auto shut-off safety feature for protection. Precision tip for collars, seams, and tight areas. Scratch-resistant sole plate for durability. Pros: excellent steam distribution with 400 plus holes. LED display makes it very user-friendly. Retractable cord improves convenience. Strong steam boost for thick fabrics. Durable and premium build quality. Cons: slightly more expensive than basic irons. Not as powerful as full steam stations. Requires proper maintenance for best performance. Perfect for home users who want a premium everyday steam iron with advanced features. Great for professionals, office wear, and households that need fast, clean, and precise ironing. At $109.99, the Rowenta Focus Excellence offers premium features like LED control, strong steam performance, and durable build, making it a strong mid-range choice between basic irons and steam stations. If you want faster ironing and professional results at home, check the link in the description for today's best deal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay updated for more product reviews.